Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I have something new to show you from NZXT. See, you might know that NZXT is quite popular for making like beautiful PC cases and also their AI liquid coolers, their Kraken series. But did you know that they also make motherboards? Well, NZXT just launched their brand new Z490 motherboard, guys, and let me tell you, this is a beauty. See, a lot of people want their PCs, gaming PC builds to have like a clean and minimalistic look with minimum amount of RGB and yet look elegant. NZXT ticks all those boxes for you. So this is their brand new N7 Z490 motherboard made for Intel CPUs, guys, and it's got a very clean and minimalistic layout. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out. So let's quickly get started with our video. So NZXT's new Z490 motherboard comes in this sort of box packaging. As usual, love their white and purple theme all over the box, and the model of the motherboard is N7Z490. It's an ATX motherboard and you even have a picture of the product on the front. It comes in two different colors, matte white and matte black. We have my favorite, the white color model. So let's see what do we have on all the sides. The motherboard comes with next-gen connectivity features, has smart cam-powered digital fan and RGB lighting control, and going to the backside, you've got the complete specs of this product. The N7Z490 is mainly built for the PC builders and enthusiasts who are all about class. See, it's got stunning craftsmanship and is mainly made for the Intel 10th Gen CPUs. So let's quickly unbox it and check out the product. On the inside, we get another cardboard box, and on opening that, we've got our brand new Mobo at the top. I have to say the brand takes a lot of care even on the packaging. So before we jump in and directly check out the board, let's see what accessories we get in the box. You get some SATA cables and a Wi-Fi antenna with a stand. That's it, guys, these were the only stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally have a look at the newest motherboard from NZXT, the N7Z490. Holy smokes, now that is a beauty. Just check out the design, guys. It's a black and white themed motherboard, and let me tell you, NZXT is all about class and elegance. I mean, the design itself speaks. The board has a full metal cover on the front in a matte white finish and has a NZXT branding over here. It's got a Z490 chipset with LGA1200 socket, so mainly designed for the new Intel 10th Gen CPUs. Initial impressions, the build quality looks very nice. All metal construction on the front, feels durable, and even offers chunky blocks of heatsink over the VRM section. It's got 4 RAM slots, and if you can observe, it's got lots of vents over here near the chipset area to dissipate heat easily. Let me also show you the backside. This is how it looks like. So there is no backplate on this model, but they did include an integrated IO shield cover. As mentioned before, it's got next-gen connectivity features like on-board Wi-Fi 6 and even Bluetooth 5.1 support. There are plenty of USB 2.0 and 3.0 ports as well. So what I'll do is I'll give you guys a closer look and mention all of its features and highlights. NZXT's N7 is a Z490 ATX gaming motherboard that features the new LGA1200 socket. It's got a 8+2 power stage designed to efficiently deliver the power demanded by the Intel CPUs. Talking about the memory, it's got 4 DIMM slots that support a max of 128GB memory and even supports Intel's XMP 2.0. If you ask about the storage, the board offers 2 M.2 slots with 4 SATA ports and is even Intel Optane memory ready. We've already discussed about the connectivity features, right? And coming to the audio section, the N7 supports 8-channel HD audio and features a 32-bit DAC to offer rich audio experience. Well, that is pretty much it. That was our first look and complete overview on NZXT's new Z490 motherboard. I'm planning on building a brand new NZXT white themed gaming PC this time using this motherboard and even the new 30 series RTX card. There I'll be sharing my feedback and experience using the board. So guys, stay tuned. A beautiful white PC build is on the way. Talking about the price and the availability of this board, see guys, I'm not yet sure about the exact pricing details because this product was under embargo while making this video. Once I get all the details, I'll definitely share with you guys in the comment section down below. Time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to check out this beautiful board from the brand. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.